Hello friends, this is Take Like Clown. Today we are going to tell about 4 hot topics. By not wasting the time, let's start our video. Hello friends, you are seeing Tech Like Clown. The first topic in the Tech Like Clown is about Moto G5G Plus. Motorola has packed a 6.7-inch full HD Plus display with a 21:9 aspect ratio for the Moto G5G Plus with a 90 Hz refresh rate. The screen features a punch hole cutout which houses the selfie camera. The Motorola Moto G Plus will support 5G, NFC, dual band Wi-Fi, GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. There is also a dedicated 3.5 mm headphone jack. The price of the Moto G5G is what makes it attractive. The smartphone is priced EUR 349, roughly rupees 29,500 in Indian currency for the 4G RAM and 64 GB storage. The 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage variant is priced EUR 399, around rupees 33,750. The price tag makes the Moto G5G Plus smartphone one of the cheapest 5G devices in the market now. The smartphone will begin shipping across Europe, UAE, and Saudi Arabia starting tomorrow, June 8th. There's still no word about Indian launch. The Galaxy Note 20 series expected to offer 3 models: the Galaxy Note 20, Galaxy Note 20 Plus, and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Coming to the specifications, the Galaxy Note 20 is expected to feature a flat display and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra set to arrive with an S Pen stylus. The Galaxy Z Flip will offer a 6.7-inch main AMOLED display along with 1.05-inch AMOLED secondary display. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC coupled with 8 GB of RAM. For the software, the phone will ship with Android 10 and expected to offer a new brown color option. The Galaxy Fold 2 is rumored to feature a 7.7-inch display. It is expected to come with model number SM-F916 and it will be offered in black and brown color variants. Now it is said that after the announcement of the product, the Galaxy Note 20 series will go on sale on August 21. However, the company has not confirmed anything about this. Due to ongoing lockdowns, the event is expected to be an online event. South Korea's ET News has published the launch event and the sale dates. The models are expected to be launched in South Korean as well as in other markets. Although the date has not been announced officially, however, the report further states that the 5G version of all models will be available only in South Korea. According to Tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy Note 20 is expected to come with a price tag of $999, roughly rupees 74,750, and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will carry a tag of $1,299, roughly rupees 91,197. Poco M2 Pro has been launched in India. The new Poco phone comes with a hole punch display and features a quad rear camera setup. The smartphone also comes preloaded with camera modes, including a Pro Color mode, Pro Video mode, and a RAW mode. The Poco M2 Pro is the third phone in India by Poco, the brand that spun off from Xiaomi earlier this year. The phone comes in 3 different configurations with up to 128 GB of onboard storage. There is also up to 6 GB of RAM. Overall, the Poco M2 Pro seems like a slightly tweaked version of the Redmi Note 9 Pro that was launched in the country in March this year. The Oppo Reno 4 series is expected to be powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor. The standard Reno 4 model could come with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, while the Pro model is expected with 12 GB RAM and 1256 GB storage configuration. Both the Oppo Reno and the Reno 4 Pro will launch with Android 10 OS and will be pre-installed with the Color OS 7.2 UI. There will be a triple rear camera setup on the Pro model which will comprise a 48 MP primary sensor. The Oppo Reno 4 series might launch in the third week of July in India, cites a report via 91 Mobile. The publication learned from its retail sources that Oppo might schedule the launch somewhere between July 20 and July 24, 2020. We might get some official confirmation on the same in the coming days. The leaked live image that surfaced recently revealed an AMOLED display with curved edges and slim bezels. Also, it has been suggested that Reno 4 Pro will offer a 120Hz refresh rate. There will be a punch hole for the selfie camera, which will be placed on the top left corner. The remaining setup will have a 13MP telephoto lens and a 12MP wide-angle sensor, backing the device with likely be 4000 mAh battery unit with 65 watts fast charging support. The speculations surrounding the Oppo Reno 4 series are increasing with each passing day, which makes us believe that its launch could be the round corner.